Hello, loves. Welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. This is my last video for 2022. And I promise you, there is a method to the madness. I wanted to add a video of my tree this year because unfortunately last year or this year I didn't show my tree. So I wanted to show you guys my tree so that way that I can know if next year you want to know how I did some of the DIYs that I did on my tree last year or this year. So that's why I'm doing this video, so I can also remember what I did, and also I can see if you guys are interested in knowing some of the DIYs that I did for your tree next year, and also whatever content you would like to see going forward on my channel. If you want to see what I came up with, you know what you got to do. Keep watching. While you're here, I would love to have you to keep coming back. Make sure you come join all of the fun by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and liking, sharing, and commenting down below.
Bright like a diamond.
Here is a quick look from my Christmas tree for 2021. I pretty much used the same ornament, so I'm not really going to go into a lot of detail of what I did in 2021, but I just wanted you to get a quick look at my colors were blue, white, silver, and black. I have a black Christmas tree, but I want you to see how I took the same items and made them look different this year where my color theme is different. So again, I just wanted you to be able to see, because on my channel, I'm really big on doing DIYs that are cost effective. So you'll be able to see how I pretty much used the same thing and gave them a different look this year. Okay, and so here I am again with the tree for 2022. And it's still the same black Christmas tree, but my theme this year was black, silver, gray, white, and also bling. I wanted it to be more dramatic because I wasn't going to be using any color. And I also did like a little motif at the bottom, or an activity scene, or whatever you want to call it. And I also took some of the DIYs that I did before and changed them from blue to black. So I will go into more detail to that as we go this through year. I did ornament clusters in a different way. I did what I saw from Pinterest. It's called color blocking tree with the clustered ornaments. I have a section of all silver ornaments and another section of black and white ornaments, and the last section of all silver poinsettias. And I really like the way that ended up turning out. I was really nervous about it, but it actually really turned out really beautiful. I did a lot of my own ornaments. I just bought clear ornaments and put inside different things I already had around the house. And I got those clear ornaments on sale from last year, but I was able to put different things inside them. As you can see in this one, I have these decorative like silver pieces I got from Amazon. I have some leftover necklaces that I've broken up. I took some silver tinsel and stuffed it inside the clear ornament. You can do so much with those clear ornaments. I took one ornament, spray painted it black, and just took some adhesive and dipped it in black glitter. I mean, the sky is really your own limit. I took one of my old sequence dresses I had and cut it up, and I put some hot glue and wrap that around the ornament, and then put another ornament on top of there. And as you can see, the clusters I have mixed in here with different sizes to make it look beautiful. This crystal garland, I got that from another content creator. I will link her video down below. And yes, your eyes are not tricking you. Those are rotating ornaments on the Christmas tree. Those were a headache. I would tell you why a little bit later in the video. And so I'm going to just go through now and show you how I took ornaments and just put different things in there. Those same silver ornaments. I mean, the little silver pieces from Amazon I told you before was a great big bag of like 1,000 of them. And I took some bling wrap and wrapped it around a white one. I put some white yarn from the Dollar Tree inside that one. I have some pearl necklaces that I broke up and put in there. and some glitter, and I sprayed adhesive in there in the clear bottle to shook it. This right here is some leftover silver ribbon that I had, and I put that in there. And the section of all silver poinsettias, those all were royal blue last year. I never did get a chance to use them, but the section where you have the silver poinsettias, I spray painted those silver and dipped them in glitter. And down here at the bottom, I have these reindeers from Bitlocks. I'll use the extra cluster just for decoration. I know I'm going pretty fast because Christmas is over. I'm just giving y'all a quick look at what I came up with, just in case you want some videos on exactly how I did everything going forward. Got the tree collar from Bitlocks. It's a rhinestone tree collar, and I also have my tree on a rotating tree stand, and I got that from wayfair.com. And again, as you can see, that ornament right there is supposed to be rotating, but it is not rotating because the rotating motors cannot go on the LED strip lights. It has to go on a regular iridescent string light, and the iridescent string light only come in warm white, and my lights are cool white. So I end up spray painting the green wire black. Too much work. I will not be doing that next year. And also, I tried my best to take some black tape and cover up the warm white lights, but as you can see, I missed a couple. It was not worth the hassle. Next year, I will not be using the one connected to a string light. I will get the one that are battery powered operated. You can tell I am out of practice with these videos because I am going so fast, and I apologize ahead of time, but I really wanted to get this video out in 2022 to end the year off great and start off with a bang in 2023. I love you guys. If you have any questions about anything that you saw, please let me know in the comment section. And as you can see now, we have the rotating ornament that is now miraculously rotating. It is absolutely amazing how these things worked when they wanted to work. But again, if you want a separate tutorial about that, let me know and I will show you guys. Again, I love you, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye. Wait. I forgot to mention, Happy New Year, everyone. 2023 is the best year yet. It's all about self-love and self-reinvention. 2023 is all about me, because you have to take care of you before you can take care of anybody else. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please comment and like and share, because it really does help my channel grow. Bye.